my lovely YouTube viewers. I hope you're all doing great. So India's 69th Republic Day is coming up on 26th of January, and I just couldn't wait to share this amazing makeup look with you guys. I had already applied serum and moisturizer on my face, so I start off by applying my foundation. The list of all the products that I use are in the description box down below. Please do check it out. I'd like to remind you all kindly that I'm not a makeup artist, but I'm a normal girl who just happens to be a makeup enthusiast, so forgive my flaws, if any. This makeup look is inspired by one of the colors from the colored Indian national flag, and I hope you guys like it. So I'm just gonna start highlighting my face with my concealer and 3 triangles and dots in a line. And as you can clearly see, visually, what I'm just doing is just blending. And basically I did check on YouTube for the makeup look that I can try for Republic Day, but ended up finding people drawing flags on their eyes or using all the 3 colors from the Indian tricolor flag, national flag. And I personally felt that was just kind of disrespectful for drawing the flag on the eye or the face. So I decided to get something out on the table, something that would not start up a controversy, rather would just be a subtle makeup look that you can wear if you're wearing green or even plain white, and would just be stunning. So after the highlight, I'm just gonna contour my face as so, and then blend, blend, blend. So after contouring, I'm gonna apply a highlight, and it's beautiful, very subtle though, because come on, it's a national day, don't take the spotlight away from the nation. And then I'm gonna apply some blush, beautiful saffron color, but it looks pretty much like a pink, so I'm gonna be fine with it. I'm gonna contour my nose after that with some more cream contour, just drawing 2 straight lines, and then for giving a button effect, just drawing a semicircle at the end. And then the usual blend, blend, blend. And then I'm gonna apply my pressed powder all over the face, just to keep all of the nice creamy products locked into my skin. Then I'm gonna start off by applying a little more of the blush that I had applied before. So I start off the eye look by applying 2 layers of the Urban Decay single eyeshadow Kush, and it's a beautiful warm green with a frost finish. I cut the crease with a very soft black eyeshadow, and then I just stick to blending, blending, and blending until I get the desired output. And then I go on and pack on this orangey shimmer shade, which I just pack on to the inside of my eye. I go down below my eye, below the waterline, with the green shade again. So I clean up whatever's around until I'm satisfied. And then I move on to applying kajal on my waterline, and then I apply easy smudgeable L'Oreal Paris eyeliner, and then mascara, and then I go on to do my eyebrows. I never film my eyebrows. I know I should start learning how to do them. I end up achieving one eyebrow that I really liked and the other eyebrow not really, but then just what the hell. I moved on to my lips with a very, very nude color, and then I just ended up like giving it definition by lining the down bottom. I hope you guys liked the video. I wish you guys all happy Republic Day in advance. Bye!